Hi, this is Rick Knight with Wilkinson Associates ERA Powered at Myrtle Beach. We are looking at a vacant lot for sale, which is one block from Ocean Boulevard, and it's a corner lot and you can build a duplex on it. So you have a raised duplex, raised beach house. For more information, you can visit rickknight.com. And you actually have some ocean view. When you build one level up, you'll definitely be able to see the ocean from here, right down 13th Avenue. The lot is located on the corner of 13th Avenue South and Perrin Drive in North Myrtle Beach, the section of Crescent Beach, just south of Main Street. For more information, give us a call, 704-576-0385.